8472 Sewards Bluff. This is a very popular floor plan for us. The HOA covers this front landscaping. This has been a very successful floor plan for us. This is tenant occupied and the tenant is not home at the moment. I'd say probably touch up this frame here. Okay. There's a 3-prong there for the laundry. This is as bright as this light gets. So these cabinets, I'm gonna say Jenny will suggest replacing this fridge and these cabinets. And while we're at it, probably the sink and, well, the sink would be changed at the same time as the counter, which I believe she may suggest doing now because of the condition of the cabinets. Okay. This is wallpaper. Wallpaper can be a little difficult or tedious to remove, but that's why we have experts. Okay, so definitely a cleanup for the landscaping. And of course it's a very small, but okay, I can't open this. It's a very small courtyard. It's good enough for our tenants. Like I said, this floor plan has been very successful. So these courtyards are standard. But yes, a cleanup. Maybe remove that dish and these cords. Okay, so carpet needs to be replaced. Replace this window. The verticals. Since Jenny may suggest putting hard flooring through here, which may mean she may suggest redoing this fireplace, the surface of the fireplace. Not a big deal, especially if you're already going to be changing the flooring. It makes sense to do everything all at once. This would be a repaint. I'm not positive about the carpet, but it's a dark enough color. I think it may be okay. I'm not sure. May be okay with a deep clean. That's definitely a Jenny call. These blinds appear to be in good condition. They're not white, but they are the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Replace those light bulbs, remove the wallpaper border, do a cleanup, redo the grout, of course a repaint. That's a nice upgraded fixture. A nice feature of this floor plan is that it has 2 masters. That's a nice upgraded light as well. Nice upgraded light. We would need the correct blinds in here. Because we only have one set of correct blinds, Jenny may suggest replacing all of them with the white 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Probably frame that panel that was cut there. Okay, so replace those light bulbs And that's the property. And replace this or get a new face for it. Might be easiest just to replace it. That's it.